Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 757 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Coinbase and MasterCard are partnering for NFT marketplace purchases. Bakkt has partnered with NYSE, and BNXA Holdings has recorded a 337% increase in transaction volume. But just before we jump into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so Coinbase, which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker COIN, and MasterCard, which trades on the NYSE as MA, have partnered to allow people to make purchases on Coinbase's upcoming NFT marketplace using their MasterCard. Prakash Hariramani, the Senior Director of Product over at Coinbase, wrote in an official blog post today, quote, "Thanks to our work with MasterCard, we'll be able to provide a better customer experience on Coinbase NFT and plan on working to find ways to bring this opportunity to the broader ecosystem through MasterCard's scale and global network. We applaud MasterCard's leadership on this issue to make it as easy as possible to buy an NFT and make sure it's the best consumer experience. The NFT revolution is just beginning." End quote. Bakkt Holdings, Inc., which trades on the NYSE under the ticker BKKT, has announced a partnership with regulated digital assets institution NYSE to custody cryptocurrency assets in the Bakkt warehouse. This is its regulated custodian, which allows for safe and secure storage of Bitcoin and Ethereum. George Manilov, the business development executive at NYSE, said, quote, "As a global digital assets institution, NYSE acknowledges the need for a trusted partner to bring an extra level of security and credibility to our clients' cryptocurrencies. We recognize that Bakkt's infrastructure and regulation-first approach to crypto was a natural fit, and we're confident that this partnership will benefit all our clients and expand NYSE's ability to service the unprecedented institutional demand for cryptocurrencies, as well as individuals' growing transaction volumes." End quote. Speaking of transaction volumes, BNXA Holdings, Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker BNXA, has shared some growth results from 2021, indicating that it recorded a 337% increase on year-on-year growth for December 2021, with a total transaction value, or TTV, of $131 million USD. The company also processed over 7,000 transactions daily and signed 14 new partnerships in December 2021 alone. Holger Arians, the CEO of BNXA, said, quote, "With the market's light speed acceleration pushing the industry in new directions, looking for new opportunities in the market is critical. I'm thrilled to see BNXA's continued growth driven by our expert team. In 2021, we took our capacity and service levels to new heights while growing our partner network and available coins. We're excited to see the business's continued success in 2022. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.